Namaste, welcome everyone. My name is Kristen and thank you so much for choosing to be here. You are joining me here in beautiful Montezuma, Costa Rica, and I'm so excited to guide you through an experiential asana clinic today for a restorative posture referred to as Mountain Brook. This is a really beautiful posture for opening up the chest, the heart space, the shoulders, the neck, as well as a very grounding posture explored on the back of the body in a supine position. So it really also helps to connect us to the earth element and helps us to feel grounded, connected, supported, and whole, as well simultaneously feeling open and spacious as we lean into this very, very gentle heart opener or back bend. This back bend focuses on the mid or thoracic region of the spine, opening up the mid, upper back, and neck. And for today's practice, we'll be using simply the support of one folded blanket, optional pillow for behind the head and the neck, and then an optional bolster or even an extra rolled up blanket to go in behind the knees. As well, it can be supportive to have a folded blanket on top of your yoga mat for extra support for the back of the body anytime you're in a supine position. Please be mindful of any contraindications or pre-existing injuries in the neck, upper back, and listen to your body because your body is your best teacher. When you are ready, take a moment to reach for any props that you might need for your experience here today. And we'll begin by reaching for our folded blanket. And we're going to take this folded blanket into a long rectangular shape. And so this long rectangular shaped blanket will go across the top of our mat, and it's intended to go behind the shoulder blades or the back of the heart. So taking this blanket across your mat, again, you might have a folded blanket or a pillow at the top of your mat to support the head and neck, optional. And then behind the knees, you might bring in the support of a bolster. So when you are ready, it can be supportive to take your hands to your hamstrings and then very, very slowly start to lower yourself down onto the landscape of props beneath you. Just taking your time here, adjusting the body and your props so that the folded blanket comes in behind the back of the heart space, the shoulder blades, pillow in behind the head. Extend the legs out nice and long onto the earth or the support of a prop. And then from there, option to take the arms wide, even into the shape of a T. Or you might bend the elbows, cactus the arms. Or if it's more supportive for you in your practice today, you can always relax the arms down by your sides, maybe rest the palms somewhere on the physical body for an added grounding effect. But take as much time as you need here. Maybe explore a couple different variations. Perhaps you feel called to explore a different variation with the legs. You might weave in more Baddha Konasana legs or bound angle legs, bending the knees, taking the knees open wide, bring the soles of the feet together. Or perhaps you just feel called to bend the knees, bring the feet to the earth, or even take the feet wide and knock the knees together. More of a pose of constructive rest. So there's lots of options, lots of room for variation. Just know that it's important to take as much time as you need to find a comfortable place where you can rest. When you feel completely supported, that all of your needs have been met here. Final option, in a supine position, you might place an eye pillow or covering on top of the eyes, settling into the healing darkness beyond the eyelids. Relax the jaw, take a deep breath in through the nose. Long, relaxed exhale through the mouth. Allow the whole body to become heavy. Feeling the back of the body conforming to the landscape of props beneath you now. Feeling the support beneath the back of your heart, as if Mother Earth had a hand at your back, as if you were being held by the earth. And with this knowing and this ability to foster a deeper sense of safety and comfort here and now, might you welcome each breath as an opportunity for you to let go. Each breath, tension melting away from the physical body. Untangling any tension within the nervous system. Any tension or lingering thoughts within the muscle of the mind. Each breath letting go. Letting go. Allowing the space around the center of the chest, the radiant heart center, to be open and spacious. A gesture of being open to receiving. Receiving love, joy, patience, whatever you need or long for in this moment. Allowing yourself to be open to receiving, and to the knowing that you are deserving and worthy of it. You might invite the breath down and into the center of the heart. As if each breath could soften away any rigid boundaries around the heart, any lingering tension, any impurities, anything that's left unsettled from the past. Just allowing your heart to be open to receiving the qualities of this life that you long for, that you deserve. Feeling the whole back of the body resting here on the earth. Sensing all of the little contact points where your body meets Mother Earth. All of the places where you feel connected and held and supported. And could you welcome in a deeper sense of softness into all of these places? Softening into all of these contact points. And just knowing that you are welcome to stay and rest and simmer here as long as you need. Only when you feel ready, take a deep breath in through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Allowing awareness to trickle down to the tips of your fingers and your toes. Start to wiggle fingers and toes. Very, very slowly. If your arms are extended out and by your sides, slowly start to bring the arms back towards your center. Maybe introducing a little bit more gentle movement, rotating the ankles and the wrists. Maybe offering a gentle, gentle stretch. And then slowly bend the knees, roll over and onto one side. You might just take a moment here to slide that folded blanket out from underneath the body. And just rest here on the side of the body for a moment. Noticing how you feel. Enjoying and savoring every moment of it. Then when you're ready, you can begin to gently, gently press yourself up. Come back to a comfortable seated position. Sit up tall, close down the eyes. And enjoy this awareness pause just to scan through the body. Notice how you feel. Basking in the effects of this gentle heart opener. And I'd love to thank you so much for joining me today for this experiential asana clinic for Mountain Brook. I hope you enjoyed this very gentle heart opener. This posture can be really, really subtle, especially if you're using a small folded blanket in behind the back of the heart space, and is a posture that I sometimes will introduce into my own personal practice in lieu of a beginning Savasana. So for instance, if you're weaving in a heart-opening theme to your practice, you might introduce this very, very gentle heart opener at the beginning of your practice or even at the end in lieu of Shavasana. If you liked this video, I encourage you to leave a like and a comment letting me know what you liked and what you'd like to see more of. If you are one of our students here from the Moon to Moon online restorative yoga teacher training, please leave a like, comment, and any reflections about how your experience was today. As well, if you are feeling drawn to an online restorative yoga teacher training that really connects with the wisdom of the lunation cycles, I'll leave some more links in the description below. Again, I'd like to thank you so much for choosing to be here, and I really hope to see you in the next video. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.